Hello, it's Richard Bowser from Property Investor News, here at the Property Development Summit in London. And I'm here with Nellie McQuinn, who's just recently been featured in Property Investor News as an award-winning investor. Good morning, Nellie.
Hello, hi. Thank you very much, Richard.
Listen, great to meet you.
Thank you.
And thank you for your input in terms of the recent magazine article. And of course, you won the Property Investor of the Year award, or New Property Investor of the Year of the award, recently at the awards in December.
Yes.
So that must have been a great experience for you.
It was extremely exciting. My husband and I only set up Property 165, our company, in 2016. So to already get such a big award was extremely exciting and great for the profile.
Yes.
And we're absolutely over the moon to have that on our shelf now.
Yeah. And just tell listeners, viewers of this clip, what it is that you've been doing in the last couple of years since you got started in property. And it's literally only a few years ago, isn't it?
Yes, 18 months ago. So we specialise in residential flips. So we look for properties that we can add value in any way, shape or form. That tends to be properties that are in disrepair and are unmortgageable. But we also look for flats that might have a low lease or problems with land registry. And what we do is we look to fix it. And the deals that won us the award at the Property Investors Award was 2 flats that we completely refurbished in Walthamstow. And we used quite an interesting method of finance, which was delayed completion. So we needed to raise minimal finance, which was key for us because we didn't have a huge amount of money to invest.
Yes. I mean, this is an enlightening story for those people who over the last 2 or 3 years have been complaining, and perhaps until this year, that finding deals in London, particularly at the lower value end of the market, has been very, very difficult. And obviously that has been the reality. But you've been able to find a cracking deal, and obviously you've made a pretty good ROI on that.
Yeah, absolutely. We had a very lovely profit margin on that. The 2 flats, when they went back on the market, sold fairly quickly, and the project in its entirety netted us 150k. So, that's been fantastic and has given us a pot that we've now obviously recycled into our next deal, and that will continue to hopefully grow. But yeah, it's an interesting thing about what you said about not being able to find deals. I think the key is in being creative. We didn't have the finance, so we had to be creative in how we financed it. And I think if your mind is open to that, then there are opportunities out there.
Absolutely, it's that lateral thinking.
Exactly. Yeah, of course.
Absolutely, and this is one of the things I've been preaching for a long time.
Yeah.
Not everybody listens.
No.
And in fact, I don't always apply it myself because...
No, we know it's hard, but, we were very fortunate. This amazing deal came up and, in my head, I saw that there was profit to be made, and it was just, I sort of was very stubborn and sort of said, I have to have it. How do we make that happen?
Yes.
So, yeah.
Great. So what are you now doing?
Further flips. We are sort of, rinse and repeat.
Yes.
We are about to, fingers crossed, exchange and complete on a property again up in Walthamstow.
Okay.
And we're about to start full refurbishment on a 2-bedroom semi-detached down near where we live in South London.
Okay.
So we'll be doing more of that in 2018, and also hopefully stepping up and going into the commercial sector as well.
Okay. So you're not letting the grass grow under your feet?
No. That's not something that I do. Anyone who knows me will know that I like to grow.
Indeed.
Yeah.
So any lessons learned from that first project that you're now putting into the second one?
I think definitely the creativity is something that I'm really trying to take forward, and just thinking sort of outside the box. I would also say that you've got to have a lot of faith in yourself, but the first deal that we did on paper shouldn't have worked. I shouldn't have made it work. I'd never done anything in property before.
Yes.
But with a little bit of faith in myself and a very great family who supported me, it's turned out to be an incredible project and has taken me into wonderful places. So I think just belief in yourself is a big deal. It can be a lonely business, but you've just got to have a little bit of faith that you can do it.
Brilliant. Well, listen, Nellie, thank you very much for your time there. It's Richard Bowser from Property Investor News here at the Property Development Summit with Nellie McQuinn.
Thank you very much.
Nellie.